i35equipment.com. This is a John Deere 210G LC hydraulic track excavator. Welcome you to come look this machine over for yourself. You can bring your mechanic and operator, or hire some local ones to come to you if you like. We are open by appointment only at this time. Happy to have you out though, and we'll have the gates open for you if you get us called on that calendar. If you'd like a hauling quote, we do send equipment, buckets, and attachments all over the country. So getting it shipped to you shouldn't be an issue at all. Just fill out the form on the website, call, text, or email with your full delivery address. We'll share that address with several local haulers and a nationwide broker. Get back at the best rate that comes back to us. Of course, welcome you to come pick it up for yourself if you're so equipped, or arrange for your own hauling. This machine is off a local ranch here. It does have the hydraulic thumb, which is great for pulling trees. Also really good for demolition work, with sorting scrap and loading boulders, just about everything else. Cold working AC, switchable control patterns. You can see all the photos and specs, as well as our full and up-to-date inventory of equipment online at www.i35equipment.com. That's a nice Esco bucket. If for some reason you need a different size bucket for a specific application, we have both new and used smaller and larger buckets at this time available for this size class machine. See all of our buckets online at i35equipment.com. That's a real heavy duty thumb. That's very nice. Also has a serrated tines or serrated fingers on it. Makes it better at grabbing. Gives you a better grip on everything. If you're in our local area, we do allow folks to dump dirt, rock, and concrete back here. Just give us a call, we'll unlock the gates and show you where to dump. Please no grass, trash, or trees. That's a pretty hefty piece of concrete you're picking up right there. Like I said, those thumbs are great for all sorts of things, including loading trucks or sorting through rubble for demolition work. Get parked, and we'll take a look at all the access panels on the motor. We'll end up in the operator station, take a look around inside there. It's that Esco bucket we're talking about. 5 teeth on it. Nice heavy duty bucket. Along with you. Still has a nice straight handrail. Usually when they're pulling trees with machines, that's one of the first things that gets bent up. All the glass looks good on the cab. Diesel fill, hydraulic fluid fill. Sorry about that. Accidentally hit the button on my phone. Motor sounds good. Like I said though, welcome you to come check it out for yourself or have it professionally inspected. We didn't mention before, but it's a great feature is this machine is pre-def. It does not require def to operate. Leaks or issues, dry, just the way you want it to be. It's your pattern control switch valve. So right from backhoe or excavator controls. No matter who's operating for you, they can feel right at home. Dual batteries. See anything crazy. Nothing real bad on this machine that's stood out to me yet. Factory removable rubber floor mat. Take it out, hose off if you need to. Original factory John Deere seat. Also has both the manual and the safety manual back here. Currently sitting at just 38.99 hours. Nothing here on the screen, no codes, no issues. I believe it has working radio. Was tuned in. Let's see here. That's power on and off. And then you can use these buttons over here to change your station. It says tune in. Cold to working AC, can feel that today. Rear view camera looks good. Gauges look good. $38.99. Here's all your controls for the menu, HVAC, radio, throttle. Auto throttle up and down, off and on, lights. That's your dual travel speeds. It's got all your toggles back here, and here's the legend for your controls. This side over here. Got some more switches for you. Appreciate you taking time to watch. Hope the video has been beneficial to you. Said earlier, you can see all the specs and photos as well as our full and up-to-date inventory online. Feel free to call with any questions. Hope you have a wonderful day.